What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Parrot ANAFI USA. So on the table is everything that comes with the Parrot ANAFI USA, and everything comes packaged very nicely in this hard case. Up front we have the drone, and in the drone is already one battery installed and a full set of propellers installed as well. And then we also have this little camera cover for the 180-degree camera with the 3 different sensors. And then we have 2 additional batteries for a total of 3 in the kit, and extra propellers as well. This is just, a little quick start guide. Then we have our controller, where you could either mount a smartphone, or they give you this nice tablet mount that just fits in there pretty nicely. And then over here on the side, we just have everything we need to charge. So to charge the batteries, you're going to use these USB-C to USB-A cables, and you get 4 of them. And then you also have 3 different style wall plugs, and I guess the reason for this is in case you're overseas, but you have the one you need in the US right here. So there you have it. That's everything that comes with the Parrot ANAFI USA. So if you're looking for a Made in America drone, give Terrestrial Imaging a call at 800-359-0530, or visit the link below in the description if you're interested in the Parrot ANAFI USA.